ngangazi ukuthi ngizoba ingwenyama ngicela ningixolele ngoba ingwenyama ngoba niyazi nje inamadodana namadodakazi amaningi.
Lilanga lakusasa litawube liyincophamlandvo njengoba lehhovisi lemengameli litawube liniketa ingwenyama yesive semazulu ngesizulu kazwelithini nesitifiketi.
Come on, terrorists in South Africa. What does that even mean?
I don't think I'm going to be in I-Sandton tomorrow, I guess, just for safety, because you never know with threats.
Ligatsha letekuphepha netebunhloli lithi kude lokuphathekako lokungaqinisekisa kusatshiswa etindzaweni letise-Sandton lapha eGauteng. Lishonile wena wekunene sikwamukele etindzabeni tesiswati lesipetfula bukhoma like SABC 1. Lilanga lakusasa litawube liyincophamlandvo njengoba lehhovisi lemengameli litawube liniketa ingwenyama yesive semazulu misizulu kazwelithini nesitifiketi. Lomcimbi yobanjelwa enkundleni yetemidlalo iMoses Mabhida eThekwini KwaZulu-Natal. Kuva kabandi ngalomcimbi sixhumana nenzatheli yetindzaba te-SABC Simphiwe Makhanya. Nguna sikwamukele etindzabeni tesiswati, ungasichazela kabandi ngalokwendekako nyalo nanekubaluleka kwalomcimbi.
Dora ngibingelele kwena bese ngibingelele nakumbukeli wezindaba ngalesi sikhathi. Ngisho impela ukuthi siqhamuka kwena nje siza la eMoses Mabhida Stadium nakuyikhona ke indawo ezosingatha ke lomcimbi ozoba inqophamlando okulindeleke ukuthi ke uthanyelwe izinkumbi zabantu. Sizokhumbula ngaphambeleni kuthiwe ke inkundla lezemidlalo izokwazi ukumatha abantu abalenganiselwa ku-48,000. Kepha ke leso sibalo Dora kulindeleke ukuthi ke abantu abazofika kusasa sithi ukweqa kancane kuleso esibekiwe ngoba phela ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ke lo msebenzi ozokwenzakala kusasa uyinqophamlando hayi nje esizweni samaZulu kuphela kepha esizwenikazi lase-Afrika ngoba phela uzokhumbula ukuthi isilo umisuzulu kazwelithini ke ungena nje kulesihlalo isihlalo esimqoka kakhulu lesi ebesikade ke kuhleli kusona ke esingathi ngonyama eyakhothama uzwelithini nokuyinto ke engicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bashilo ukuthi cha uzoba nenselelo enkulu ukuthi ke abumbe indlunkulu nekubukeka engathi ke impela kusakhona izinto eziphathelene ke noqhekeko ngaphakathi endlunkulu. Ngikhuluma nawe nje izolo ama-prince ke noma singathi ke abantwana abathathu abalama ke isilo esesakhothama ubhuti wezwelithini bebenesithangami nasabe izindaba nalapho ke becacise khona ukuthi bona abakamthathi umisuzulu kazwelithini njengesilo samaZulu kubona usawumntwana futhi basafisa ukuthi ke abuyele nganeno eze kubona kuhlale phansi kuxoxisane ngoba izwi labo njengabantwana esingathi ke balama isilo sakhothama uzwelithini bathi ke abazange noma ke baxaxiselwe kahle ngenqubo mgomo ebekufanele ilandelwe kuze kufinyelelwe ke esinqumeni sokuthi kuphakanyiswe igama lakhe. Kepha ke konke lokho sekufana nokuthi ke amanzi angaphansi kwebridge ngoba kusasa umengameli wakulelo umnomzana uCyril Ramaphosa uzobenikeza ke isilo umisuzulu kazwelithini isitifiketi soke sokumgunyaza ngokusemthethweni ukuthi ke nguyena isilo sisizwe samaZulu nokumcimbi ke oyinqophamlando ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi phela ngonyama yakhothama ubhuti kazwelithini wahlala kulesihlalo cishe iminyaka engamashumi ke amahlanu nokwenza ukuthi ke abantu abaningi bafuna ukuzoyibonela bona lenqophamlando yomcimbi ozokwenzakala kusasa Dora.
Asibonge kakhulu Simphiwe isikhatsi sakho.
Bonga mina.
Inzatheli yethu ke nguSimphiwe Makhanya asibikela bukhoma khona le KwaZulu-Natal ngendzaba yemicimbi wakusasa. Kanti ke naletinye ke takhamuti takuleli tavakalise luvo lwato ngalomcimbi.
Ukuthi isilo lesesikhona endleleni ebeyade isilo ebesisiphethe umdlokovani ebeyade ekwenzela abantu abamnyama naye lo osezongena njengamanje aqhubeka ahambe kulezo zinyathelo
uZulu la awuhlanganise awubumbe ubumbane uphinde futhi ke kube isizwe samaZulu njengoba kusekhona eqaleni
khona emva kokugcotshwa kwesilo umisuzulu ukuthi alekelele mhlambe endaweni zasemakhaya la khona abantu intsha enamathalente akwazi ukuthi bayiphilise ngalo mathalente abanawo ngoba esikhathini samanje bayafunda abantu bafunde babe nama qualifications but bangayitholi imisebenzi.
Umgcinimafa jikelele we-ANC Paul Mashatile akakafuni kuba ingcenye yetinkulumo letiphikisako letibukise kumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa lokuthi angemva kokuthi bengameli balelive baphambilini Thabo Mbeki na Jacob Zuma bavete luvo lwabo esidlangalaleni ngenkulumo legcekako lebebonakala icondziswe kumengameli Cyril Ramaphosa.
Umgcinimafa jikelele we-ANC Paul Mashatile akafuni ukukhuluma kabani ngalolu dzaba loluthinta lawo bemengameli baphambilini Thabo Mbeki na Jacob Zuma.
Well, as officials of the ANC, we felt that we will have an opportunity to engage with our leaders. We don't like public spats. So at some point, we will have a meeting with them privately, internally, to iron out our differences, if any.
Mashatile beyakhuluma komcimbi wesikhumbuzo sawaThambo njengoba kuyinyanga yakhe noma singedwe sikhatsi semhlawulo namagatsha lenhlangano ukuthi acece ukuhlangana kepha lenhlangano elithemba ukuthi tawufika ku-70% kude kuhlalele ngomfa letako.
We have about 3,900 branches in good standing that must go to conference, and most of them are sitting. We probably are just more than 3,000 branches that have set, and all of them are following the rules properly. So we are very happy with the process.
Mashatile kumanje usekola Tifuna Tindzaba ukuthi athathe isikhundla sekubalisekela lamengameli ku-ANC. Akafuni ukukhuluma ngaloku. Noma kube khona lokucela kwalabaholi baphambili balenhlangano kusayela emuva kwamagatsha nobe kuhlala kuma-PGMs. Kepha lo mgcinimafa lenhlangano elithemba ukuthi lengofa iyohlala ngenyanga yengoni lomnyaka.
Umvikeli wemphakathi lomisiwe advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uthi ufuna lithuba nekushayiliswa moya kude ate uthatha sinqumo selikusasa lelithimba lebameli bakhe lokuthi ngemva kokuthi lelithimba leliholwa nguadvocate Dalimpofu lihoce kulolu phenyo leParliament lelibuka ukuthi ingabe ulungele yini lo msebenzi. Mkhwebane usamile ekutheni lesinqumo sithethwa ngadi.
Ngaphansi kwaDalimpofu njengemmeli waMkhwebane bekuhleliwe yini noma kulicebo lekuphocelela lolu phenyo ukuthi lungasachubeki ngenxa yokusolakala kwebantu labangammela. Mina ngimbuto kunetimpendulo ngelikusasa lelithimba lebameli baMkhwebane.
I'm in the position to participate for now because of the absence of my legal representation. So, and at this stage I elect not to say any other thing outside of this document or out of this information which I've shared now.
Walile ukuthi ngubani lokugunyate lokushiya phansi kwaMpofu kulolu phenyo.
The protector has made it quite clear, and she is the client, that she did not withdraw her legal representative's mandate, which effectively means that Sienego, to all intents and purposes, gave Advocate Mpofu a mandate which he was not authorized by his clients to make.
Parliament ngetemthetho uthi lelithimba lebameli baMkhwebane kulicebo labo lokushiya phansi ngoba bafuna lokuthethwa kwaleli cala kungachubeki kepha kuhlehliswa.
That Advocate Mpofu believes that the recusal applications were wrongly dismissed or the postponement was refused on a basis that was not valid are in and of itself not sufficient reasons for the PP's legal team to cease participating in these proceedings.
Kube ngalusibili kude Mkhwebane aniketwe isikhatsi sekuthola abameli labatameli.
To resume the hearings as from Tuesday in relation to both issues, the cross-examination of the outstanding witness or the deleting of evidence.
Lo umenjalo kulele ukuthi ufuna lithimba lebameli labatamela ngikulandzela umyalelo wenkantolo yemthethosisekelo. Njengoba lelithimba lakhe lebameli lingafuni ukuchubeka naleli cala, kumele aniketwe lithuba lokuthi akhethe lelinye lithimba lelitommela.
Ligatsha letekuphepha netemhloli lithi kude lokuphathekako lokungaqinisekisa kwesatshiswa etinzaweni letise-Sandton lapha eGauteng. Estatementeni salo leligatsha livakalise ukuthi lesexwayiso lesikhishwe iMelika sivela esikhatsini lapho kuqinisekiswe khona kakhulu tinhlelo tekuphepha njengoba kusondzela isikhathi semaholide kuphela kweminyaka. Leligatsha lithi bantfu bangasabalalisi imilayeto yemininingwane lengakaqinisekiswa etinkundleni tetekuchumana nalokubanga ukuthi bantfu betfuke ngakafanele.
Tekuphepha qiniseko ngekhathi nangaphandle Sandton City, Nelson Mandela Square, emahhotela nase-Sandton Convention Center. Kunenzeka ukuthi kubonakala amaphoyisa ngebuningi bawo livimba umgwaco kuphenya lokusezingeni kuletinye tindzawo. Lovisi lebunqisi laseMelika kuleli lakhipha sexwayiso ukuthi iSandton ngahle ihlaselwe lembela sondo. Noma kunjalo amabhizinisi achubeke njalo nokusebenza njengenjolo eSandton kanzi baphathi bakhona bathi bachubeke njalo nokusebenzisana nebetemthetho kanye nebelusito loluphuthumako. Leli thimba libe selicela abantu ukuthi bayekele kubebhethekisa lokungasiwe enkundleni tekuchumana njengoba lokhu yothusa abantu labanyenti.
We South Africans have been through a lot, so I came here to do the Sandton Threat Challenge because I feel like we are still going through a lot, so we just need any reason to laugh because we see these things on TV. Come on, terrorists in South Africa. What does that even mean?
You never know with threats. You don't know if it's a hoax or if it's true. I guess how I feel about all this, I remember a few years back there was another threat like this about bombing. So, and that never happened. So I don't know if this is true. I don't know who they're trying to scare or what's happening. So I don't actually think it's true. I just think it's another threat to get people scared.
Well, Tindzaba teswati like SABC wana usanza ngena siyakwamukela. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhambele umcimbi wekufungiswa kwandvunankhulu lomusha wase-Lesotho sematekane. Ramaphosa ubonge umsebenzi lomuhle lowendiwe iSADC qinisekisa ukuthi kuba nekuthula eveni lase-Lesotho.
SADC entrusted me with the task of facilitator in the Kingdom of Lesotho to assist with the promotion of peace and stability and constitutional reform. Having experienced South Africa's transition to democracy, I was aware of the importance of an inclusive and consultative process.
Iqembu letisebenti taphambilini temayini ePlatinum Impala lese-Rustenburg eNorthwest lithi lifuna timphendvulo mayelana nekungakhokhelwa ngemva kwekuthi tilimalele emsebentini kanzi tifuna ukuthi lenkampani ibhadale nemasheya ato tithi imtamo yekutfola le mali ayikaphumeleli.
Umhlangano wekudzingidza ludzaba lokungakhokhelwa imali yabo yemhlala phasi emasheya kanye nalokunye lomunye lofuna kukhokhelwa ngulenkampani ngoMatha Siyabelo loneminyaka lenge-36 losebentele lenkampani iminyaka lenge-38.
They promised me they're going to give me 15%, but at present they've never even give me anything.
Edwin Molefi love yashayela ibhasi uthi akaseva etindlebeni lekuyindvo leyacala asemsebentini kepha akamange ancepheteliswe.
Sentle ne ke batla hore ke kreye seo ke tshwantse go se kreya ka gonne ke tsene ko company ke utlwa
tinsolo tekungabhadalwa emasheya ngulenye indzaba leshisako.
Ba re file dikhipa tse leng gore re shareholder ba re fa dipitsa ba re fa dikobo. So ile tshwantse ba re patele di-shares ebe ba re fa bo 2000.
Lenkampani ithi letisebenti tangaphambilini atilandzele imigomo yalenkampani kuveta kukhatsateka kwato.
There may be employees or ex-employees who still have queries around it, but the mine is well equipped to deal with these questions.
Lenkampani ithi labangamange bancepheteliswa labalimali abasemsebentini bangakhuluma nabo kude kwentiwe liphenyo.
Ikomiti lebuketa imali yePhalamende yethulele ukuthi tinhlangano tetenkolo kufuthi tingaphathwa ngendlela lehlukile kunaletinye letingenti inzuzo nakubuka tehlakalo tebugebengu tekushushumbiswa kwemali. Le komiti ibuyekete kunjinjwa kwemtsetfosivivinyo lehlose ngawo ukuqinisa umtsetfo lehlose ngawo kulwisana netehlakalo talolu hlobo.
lesikhungo lesilwa nokushushumbiswa kwemali sithi tinhlangano letingendi inzunzo kuleli tisetshenziselwa kucukelela imali igcine iyiswe etikhungweni etehlukene letisetshenziselwa kwenta bugebengu lobuyamene nokuphekula tikhuni. Lesikhungo sithi sibikelele tehlakalo ukuthi ikhungo temthetho kude tiphenye kabanti. Lesikhungo lesisekelwa ngumgcini mafa sithi tinhlangano letingendi inzunzo kufanele tilawulwe ngaphansi kwemthetho lolusana nokushushumbisa kwemali. Sithi nanoma ngabe kubikwe tehlakalo letincane tinhlangano tenkholo nato kufanele tilawule ngaphansi kwalomthetho kude tivikeleke kusetshenzisweni etehlakalweni tebugebengu.
It is important that the requirements that we set would be applicable and wouldn't sort of exclude, have different impacts and on different categories of NPOs simply based on the nature of their activities.
Unfortunately, in those cases, those NPOs were also styled as religious organizations and the donations were styled as religious donations. So finding a way of excluding religious organizations specifically from this will again defeat the purpose.
Kanzi nasibona makethe tetimali irandi lehlile naliqhathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kanzi kutemidlalo kusasa kulinzeleke emagoli nakuhlangana timbangi taseSoweto e-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Kepha ke na ubuka ukuthi lamacembu adlala kanjani lamalanga iPirates ibonakala kungiyelwe ngahle iphumelele. Kwanyalo ke samukela Mduduzi Ndlovu inzatheli yetemidlalo lapha eSABC. Kajena sikubingelele sikwamukele Tindzabeni.
Mshabalala.
Ibambe negetihluthu kusasa ingabe yini lesingayilinzela?
Ngiyakuva nje mshengu ukuthi iPirates ngathi nemandla idabi ayinayo iform khathini esinyende esike sake experience over the years ukuthi i-team lengathi kumbe isefomini kuba ngiyo levamisa kungadlali kahle ngelanga ledabi ma players bacecesha ukuthi bathini ukuthi bathiteni kufuneka kusuke kubo badlali ukuthi bona bafuna ukuthi batimisele ngekwenta ini enkundleni ukuthi bafuna ukuthi iSoweto bayidivide ekhathi babe like ngibo labane ma breaking rights kungako makiwa umdlalo wedabi uthatha lokuthiwa iform ukulahlele ngephandle ngelifastela bese ubuka ngalelanga nakungenwe enkundleni ukuthi wena ugcine kanganani mentally ungumdlali utimisele ngekwenta ini kepha ke bacecesha banako ke umthelela nabo ake sive bacecesha sibona balungise kanjani lo umdlalo utakusasa.
About that, the last game that we played, we did not concede a goal, and we want to build on that, just to make sure that we keep a clean sheet and start taking our goal scoring opportunities that we create in every game.
I think the team is starting to look much more close to the team that we would like to see in the future, and we would like to see more consistent during the time.
Baceceshi batimisele ukuthi badlali babo bente kahle kusasa kepha njengoba ngisho indzaba yekuba kepha khona ivo leshidiwe nguDr Khumalo evikini lesibuya kulo ngelisonto ngesikhathi iKaizer Chiefs ikhishwa ke-M10-8 wathi akamboni namunye umdlali ecenjini leKaizer Chiefs lofanana nabo Thabo Muki lebe bama-leaders ekhathi enkundleni uthi labadlali labakhona nyala babonakala bayilwela imbeji yeKaizer Chiefs kubonakala ukuthi bayalithanza lejezi abaligcokako kepha konke lokho sister kubona ku-90 minutes lotabe usenkundleni ku-FNB Stadium iPirates yashisa ivuthe malangabi esakhuluma emanga ngaloko ibonakala iba nemidlandla njalo nayidlala nakuyibonakala iphacebula kabuhlungu Sundowns nga-3-0 asadi kepha ke kusasa ukuthi itawudala ngomoni lengwadiko inkomo lekhona tabang 1 point noma kube ngamaphuzu lamathathu makebhula noma abafana bashintsha guluva.
Asibonge kakhulu Gatsheni isikhathi sakho ibeke yacaca.
Njengoba sengihamba nje wena mbukeli naba babukeli labo bakhulumile ekhaya bathi
ngekubuka kwami msakade le game lekhona ngemgcibelo iOrlando Pirates ngawunqoba lo mdlalo ngamagoli amabili ecanzeni nangibuka ngendlela ledlala ngayo hayi iNew City Pirates nayo lo mfana lokudlala ngasencela uSaleng iperformance yakhe hayi inkulu kakhulu cansi iOrlando Pirates ngawunqoba lo mdlalo nga-2-0.
Kule game yangemgcibelo ngicabanga ukuthi kutawina licembu leKaizer Chiefs ngamagoli amabili kulelova yebo wona licembu leOrlando Pirates lidlala kahle kuleti nsuku kodwa nje kulo mdlalo lona iform ndawuthini idumthelela lo ngako ngicabanga ukuthi licembu leKaizer Chiefs litawina ngamagoli amabili lelo.
Kena kusasa kutawini Orlando Pirates na 2-0. Isho lokho ngalokuthi Pirates kulamalanga isefomini nendlela ba-attack ngayo ikude kakhulu. Ngicabanga sikhathi Chiefs itawukhona defender the likes of Seling, Erasmus.
Iyatmisela iPirates kakhulu. Kepha nje ne-Chiefs ifuna approval point. Ngibona score sithi 2-1. Iphumelela icembe Kaizer Chiefs.
Shapa Pagania Shapa, tomorrow's Tembeleni ukuthi you'll do the same things that you did on the grounds last week. All the best, and I know this one is going to you guys.
Umbono kwembukeli SABC angekithweso ngikudependvulela ngayo. Sicoliseke wena mbukeli ngekungabi nembono emalanga lamabili lalandzelanako. Tingaketa lamuhla nasibuye titolo sikhona simo selitulu. Nibe nempela sonto lenhle nalephephile.